In the name of God, the merciful, the compassionate. Citizens, during these very difficult circumstances that Egypt, that the country is going through, President Hosni Mubarak has decided to step down as the President of the Republic and has entrusted the High Council of the Armed Forces to carry out the dealing of the country.
Exoneration in terms of emancipation for Egypt.
Dignity and pride. We are Egyptian now.
I think that we should be involved in any negotiations to come.
I think the Egyptian people, we all have proved that we deserve the most.
Dignity and pride. We are Egyptian now. And pride.
Exoneration in terms of emancipation for Egypt.
People of Egypt have spoken, voices have been heard, and Egypt will never be the same.
I think that we should be involved in any negotiations to come.
President Hosni Mubarak has decided to step down as the President of the Republic.
I would demand a lot of parties that is going to rally people into knowing what do we really need.
People of Egypt have spoken, their voices have been heard, and Egypt will never be the same.